Good morning students. Welcome to online learning class. Before start new topic, let's recall what we have learned in previous class. We learned about festivals. India is a land of festival and festival play an important role in our life. Festival brings joy in our life. They teach us the good values of life. We have different religions and every religion has its own festivals. We have some national festivals also. We have social festival, sowing festival, harvesting festival and seasonal festival. Now look at the advantages of having festival. As you have learned in previous classes about festival brings joy in our life, they end the boredom of life. They teach us the good values of life. Festivals teach people to live together peacefully. We clean and decorate our homes on festival and festival give a new and fresh look to our homes. Some festivals remind us of the life of great men and encourage us to learn from the life of those great men. People make new purchase on festival, thus businessmen have good business on the days of festival. We have national festivals also, religious festivals also. Now see the national festival, the Independence Day. 15th August is celebrated as the Independence Day. On this day in 1947, India got her freedom from the British rule. We celebrate this day as a national festival. It is celebrated all over the country. The national flag is hosted at all important places and buildings. The main function is held in New Delhi at the Red Fort. The Prime Minister of the country unfurls the national flag. He addresses the nation. On this day, we remember our great freedom fighters. These people gave up their life for the freedom of the country. See the Republic Day. 26 January is the Republic Day of India. On this day in 1950, India became a democratic republic. The power of the government passed into the hands of the people. Now we elect our own government after every 5 years. We celebrate this day as a national festival. It is celebrated all over the country. Republic Day parades are held in all state capitals. The governor of each state takes the salute. After the parade, there are variety programs. Republic Day functions are held in all towns and cities also. The main function is held in New Delhi. A big parade is held at India Gate. The President of India takes the salute at this parade. Units from the Army, Navy and Air Force take part in this parade. Now look at Gandhi Jayanti. The 2nd of October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. On this day in 1869, Mahatma Gandhi was born. He was a great son of Mother India. We call him father of the nation. He won for us the freedom of our country. He loved peace and truth. On this day, we remember Gandhiji and his teachings. Religious prayers are held in memory of Gandhiji. The President, the Prime Minister, and other great leaders of the country visit Gandhiji's Samadhi in Delhi. It is called Rajghat. Now, see Children's Day. The 14th of November is celebrated as Children's Day. On this day in 1889, Jawaharlal Nehru was born. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children called him Chacha Nehru. Now we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. See Teachers' Day. The 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. On this day in 1888, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was born. He was the first Vice President of India. He was a great man. He started his life as a teacher. Now we celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. Now see social festivals of our country. Dashera. As you have learned in previous class about Dashera, this festival fall in the month of October. It is celebrated in honor of Rama's victory over Ravana. This festival is celebrated for 10 days. Ram Leela is staged for the first 9 days. On the 10th day, the effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna, and Meghanada are burnt. A big fair is held every town and city. Thousands of people go to see the fair. The Dussehra marks the victory of good over evil. In some states, the Dussehra is celebrated in a different way. In West Bengal, it is celebrated as Durga Puja. People make big idols of goddess Durga. For 9 days, they worship these idols. On the 10th day, the idols are immersed in a river or the sea. In Gujarat, Dussehra is celebrated as Navratras for 9 days. Groups of people dance round a lighted pot called the Garba. They dance for 7 nights in honor of the goddess Durga. While dancing, they sing songs in praise of the goddess. The Dussehra of Kulu Valley is also very famous. It begins when Dussehra in other parts of the country and it goes on for 7 days. Now see our next topic is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. See, Diwali is also called Deepavali. It is a festival of light. It falls in the month of October or November. It comes 20 days after the Dussehra. It is believed that on this day Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Preparations are made in advance for this festival. People paint their houses in new colors. They buy new cloth and utensils for themselves. They send sweets and gifts to their friends and relatives. The Diwali night is very colorful. People illuminate their houses with lights of different colors. Children enjoy bursting crackers. On this night, people worship Goddess Lakshmi. She is the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Diwali marks the beginning of the new business year. Businessmen start new account books on this day. They pray to Goddess Lakshmi for good business in the coming year. See, children, India is a land of festival. However, none of the festival comes close to Diwali. It is certainly one of the biggest festival in India. It is probably the brightest festival in the world. People of different religion celebrate Diwali. Most noteworthy, the festival signifies the victory of light over darkness. This also means the triumph of good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. It is known as the Festival of Lights. Consequently, there are bright lights all over the whole country during Diwali. According to Ramayana, Diwali is the day of the return of Rama. This is the day of the return of Rama. This day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya along with his wife Sita. This return was made after Rama defeated demon king Ravana. Furthermore, Rama's brother Lakshmana and Hanuman also came back to Ayodhya. Many people try to forgive during Diwali. It is certainly an occasion where people forget disputes. Therefore, friendships and relationships get stronger during Diwali. People remove all feelings of hatred from their heart. These beautiful festivals bring prosperity. Hindu merchants open new account books on Diwali. Furthermore, they also pray for success and prosperity. People also buy new cloth for themselves and for others. This light festival bring peace to people. It brings the light of peace to the heart. Diwali certainly brings spiritual calmness to people. Sharing joy and happiness is another spiritual benefit of Diwali. People visit each other's houses during this festival of light. They do happy communication, eat good meals, and enjoy fireworks. Diwali is a great joyful occasion in India. One cannot imagine the delightful contribution of this glorious festival. It is certainly one of the greatest festivals in the world. Now, let's come to our next topic, Ramzan Eid. Ramzan is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar. In Islam, it is the holy month of fasting. It is believed that starting on the 27th night of this month, the Holy Quran was revealed in stage by Allah to Prophet Muhammad. Throughout this month, Muslims fast from dawn to dusk. They don't eat or drink anything. They spend most of their time in reading Quran or in saying prayer. The day of Eid marks the end of this month. On this day, people wear new clothes, they go to mosques and offer prayers. After the prayer, they embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. They give alms to the poor. A special sweet dish called sevai is prepared in every home. See, children, Eid or Idul Fitr is the greatest festival of the Muslim. The Muslims all over the world celebrate it with great pomp and show zeal and gusto. This festival marks the end of Ramadan. Ramadan is a holy month of fasting. The Muslim observe fast for a full month after sighting the moon of Ramzan. When the month of Ramzan is over and the moon of Eid is sighted, they end their roja. In this way, the Muslim break their month long fast. The next day, the festival of Eid is celebrated. It is a belief that fasting in the month of Ramzan purifies the soul. The prayers after fasting save them from going to hell and open the doors of heaven. Thus, they lead a pure and holy life during the month of Ramzan. They observe, fast, offer regular prayers in the form of namaz, read the Holy Quran, feed the hungry, and give alms to the poor. On the Eid day, Muslim people get up early in the morning. They take a bath and put on their best dresses. Houses are decorated. They thank Allah, visit mosque and offer prayers in the form of namaz. They embrace one another and exchange Eid greeting. Eid Mubarak is on the lip of each Muslim. Sweets are distributed, gifts are given, and delicious dishes are prepared at home. Eid brings a message of brotherhood for all of us. In India, all communities join the Muslim in celebrating Eid. Sweets are shared and greeting exchanged by all. The Hindus, Sikh, and Christians greet their Muslim brothers on this day. The celebration of Eid promotes national integration and the feeling of brotherhood. Now, see our next topic, Christmas. 25th December is celebrated as Christmas Day every year. It is believed that Jesus Christ was born on this day. On this day, houses and churches are beautifully decorated. A small Christmas tree is set up in every home. It is decorated with bright paper stars and glass ball. Exchanging gifts is an important part of Christmas. People send Christmas gifts and greetings to their friends and relatives. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them on the night before Christmas. See, Christmas is a very special day for the Christian world. It's celebrated with large enthusiasm in the Christian world. On this day, the Christian people go to the church and offer special prayer. On this day, Christian people decorate their houses, offices, streets, and churches beautifully with colorful light and make it so joyful. This day is the day of merrymaking and joy. Christmas tree, you can see in this picture Christmas tree. Christmas tree and cake is the most important thing on the event day. These two things are the particular item of Christmas. At every house, Christmas tree and candles are compulsory on this occasion. One of the most common activity of this festival is gift distribution to each and other people. Santa Claus. Santa Claus bring many presents for the children. Therefore, the children wait for Santa Claus. Now, look at the book. Holi. Holi is a popular festival in North India. It is a festival of colors. People throw colored water